The whole crypto market has crashed. Bitcoin over here is almost 52% down from its peak in November December. Ethereum is also down by almost 55% from its peak. So now what is the future of crypto? Was crypto just a hype? And yes, as you all know that I invested almost 1 lakh Indian rupees, 1500 US dollars live on this channel at the absolute peak. Let's talk about the future of crypto, why this fall has come and what I am doing. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and want to start your online journey, consider hitting that like button, smashing the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. Follow me on my Instagram as well. I post a lot of useful content for beginners over there also. Now, talking about one of the most talked about, one of the most hyped topics of 2021 and 2022, that is cryptocurrency. I am sure that even if you are remotely associated with making money online of any kind, you must have heard about NFTs, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Shibu or Dogecoin. And right now the crypto market has absolutely collapsed. It has been reduced to almost 50% from its peak. For example, you can see the graph of Ethereum over here. You can see that from the peak, the crypto market has almost crashed 55% in Ethereum. In Bitcoin as well, the case is the same. It has crashed almost 52% from its peak. And as you all know that I also invested almost 1 lakh Indian rupees, 1500 US dollars live on my YouTube channel exactly at the peak. So yes, my crypto portfolio is down by 30-40%, and that is the matter with each and everybody in the crypto space. If you don't know, I have a USD 5-figure and Indian rupee 7-figure crypto portfolio that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Solana, Ripple and many other coins that I believe in. Now, what about the future? Is cryptocurrency dead? Is crypto dead? Was cryptocurrency just a hype? Was NFTs just a hype? What about the future? Does cryptocurrency have some value in the future that you should be considering investing, or what is the reason behind me investing in this market? So today we are going to talk about some of the reasons that may have caused this downfall, this crash, and we are going to talk about what is the future of cryptocurrency, what am I doing with my money. Okay, so firstly, there might be many reasons behind a downfall of any asset class, be it equity or real estate or crypto or anything, but there are main 4 reasons that I have been able to figure out that were the reasons because of which this crypto crash might have come. There are many other reasons like the 4-year doubling cycle of Bitcoin, and there are many reasons, but the first and foremost, the primary reason why you see a downfall in all the asset classes, be it equity, be it Indian markets, US markets, crypto markets, this is because of asset class deflation. Now, what I mean by that? See, during the pandemic, each and every government printed out a lot of currency to meet the demands of the people. So, due to a lot of printing of currency, the value of the currency inflated. So, there was a lot of inflation. As you can see in the graph, US economy, that is one of the most developed economies where the inflation is 1 or 2%, it crossed 7% inflation. Now, how to control this inflation? Well, the government has many instruments that they can use in order to control this inflation. One of them being the interest rates. So Feds increased the interest rates of the bond market, because of which many big institutions, big banks, insurance companies, they sucked out the money from the equity crypto market and they put that into the other asset class. So because of the Feds increasing the interest rate, the money was sucked out of the equity market, crypto market and all the other asset classes. Is this something unexpected that happened? Absolutely not. Everybody knew that the Feds were going to increase the interest rate in order to control the inflation. So that is why you see a bit of negative impact on the US economy, on the US stock market as well, Indian stock market as well, and the crypto market as well. So asset deflation is one of the key reasons why you see a downfall. The second reason might be some negative news, some negative speculations around different countries' approach towards cryptocurrency. For example, recently some news came out that Russia is going to ban cryptocurrency. In India as well, where I live, in the winter parliament session that was around mid-December, there was a lot of speculation that a very strict crypto bill is going to come out, very strict crypto rules are going to come out. The bill was not prepared, so it didn't come out in the winter parliament session, but due to a lot of speculation, a lot of negative speculation, people went into panic selling, and that is why the market collapsed in one day. It was down by 10 or 12%. Now, some of the other things that I think might be the reason of the collapse in the crypto market is that, firstly, profit booking. See, you need to understand that Bitcoin is one of the biggest, largest cryptocurrencies, and whatever happens to Bitcoin, the other cryptocurrencies also behave in a similar manner. The whole crypto market behaves in a similar manner. Bitcoin is one of the most biggest and very old cryptocurrencies as well. Bitcoin has been there for almost a decade, and the hype around cryptocurrency has only started in the past 2, 3, 4 years. Before that, the people who got in early into this Bitcoin game, mining Bitcoin, playing some games to earn Bitcoin, means getting Bitcoin in 2014, 15, 16, 17. Getting Bitcoin at that time was very, very easy. Even a $500 laptop could have mined a lot of Bitcoin, and right now, even a $5,000 setup, $10,000 setup, they are not able to mine that much because of the competition. So the people who got in early into the Bitcoin game, maybe you will find many stories. These two brothers mined 100 Bitcoin in 2016, and right now they sold it and they became millionaires or billionaires. This person lost his Bitcoin that he won from some game in 2014, and now he found out about the price of Bitcoin. He started searching for his Bitcoin, and he found the Bitcoin in some digital wallet, and now he is a millionaire or a billionaire by selling those Bitcoin. So the people who have a bunch of Bitcoin, it can be from early buying, it can be from mining, or whatever might be the reason, whenever the market reaches its peak or it is very high, many people start booking their profits, and that is why you can see a bit of selling off in the price of Bitcoin. So that initiates a chain reaction. When people see the market coming down by 5-10%, some people panic sell. Again the market comes down, then again the market comes down. And factoring in all the other points that I told, like the Feds, the doubling cycle, and all these things, that resulted in a very massive downfall of the crypto market. Now, another point that might be the reason is that the crypto market was a bit overhyped. You must have seen in the news, Dogecoin millionaire, Dogecoin billionaire, overnight millionaire. In one day or 1 week, the Dogecoin skyrocketed 1000%, 2000%. So that caught a lot of attention in the news as well, and many people who were looking for alternative ways to make money, they thought that it was a gold mine, and many new people started their crypto market investments, started their crypto journey without having the full information. Again, there was a coin, Shibu in coin, and it did the same thing. It spiked up very, very quickly, and again it caught the attention of the people. NFTs, you will see this person sold his NFT for 69 million, this person sold his NFT for $2 million. So the news, the novelty factor, the new factor of Bitcoin cryptocurrency caught a lot of attention of the people. And I believe that 2 or 3 months ago, the crypto market was a bit hyped up, and now the rates have settled, that has come down a bit, and the rates have cooled down a bit. So these were basically some of the reasons that I think that were the reason that the Bitcoin crypto market saw this huge collapse. But now, what about the future? What should you do? What I am doing with my portfolio? See, you need to look at the historical data. Has Bitcoin collapsed by 50 or more percent in the past? Yes, you won't believe, more than 10 times it has happened. That Bitcoin has collapsed more than 50% and then again rose again, it went up again. So is it something new for Bitcoin to fall down 50% and then again start its journey upwards? Absolutely not. It can definitely happen in the Bitcoin market and the crypto market. Along with that, I personally believe that there has been no fundamental change. There has been no negative fundamental change in the concept of blockchain, in the concept of cryptocurrency that has led to this downfall. I personally believe that Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and many other new projects that are starting with the blockchain technology are the future, because they have such huge real world implications, real world usage, that many companies are exploring how to use this technology for betterment of their business, for betterment of the people. If you just read this article over here with me, you can see, if I just scroll down, a very, very big company, IBM, it is working with Kruger's, that is a grocery chain, in order to implement the blockchain technology for their food handling processes. Microsoft is working with a very big accounting firm, EY, Ernst & Young, and a shipping giant in order to create the first blockchain-based marine insurance platform. Kodak uses its Ledger technology to protect the copyright of images and videos. If you scroll down even further, SBI Holdings, the company partnered with San Francisco's Ripple to introduce the blockchain payment between Japan and South Korea. So as you can see that many big companies are testing out the waters. They are testing the blockchain technology in order to use that for real world problem solving. And I personally believe that there is a lot of real world usage of different cryptocurrencies of this technology, and the crypto future is very, very bright. Different crypto projects have different goals. For example, the goal of Bitcoin is to become a medium of storage, is to replace gold. The purpose of Ethereum is to become a medium of exchange, like a currency. The purpose of Solana is a competition of Ethereum. So different crypto projects have launched with different purposes. Like there is a crypto project called Polkadot, whose job is to help different blockchains communicate with each other. So I personally believe that many businesses, many people are testing the waters. They are testing how we can implement blockchain into the world, implement blockchain into the business. And there are multiple use cases. There are multiple ways we can use blockchain, we can use cryptocurrency for the betterment of everybody, and that will obviously result in the booming of the crypto market. So I am personally very bullish on the crypto market, and right now the prices are very, very low. And as the great investor Warren Buffett says, that be fearful when people are greedy, be greedy when people are fearful. So right now there is a lot of fear in the market because of the collapse, and right now is the time to take up some positions in the crypto market. This is not any buying or selling advice. I am just going to tell you what I am doing. If you want to invest any of your own money, please do your own research, please do your own due diligence, be aware of the risks with this market. But personally, I am going to take up small positions in different cryptocurrencies. For example, there is a cryptocurrency called Avalanche, Matic, Polkadot, as I talked about earlier. So these are the three cryptocurrencies that are under my radar. As I said, this is not any buying or selling recommendations, but I am very positive with the crypto market. Yes, my portfolio is down by a significant amount, but I believe that that will bounce back and give me triple 10 times the profits in the near future. Now, if you want to learn that how I earn this money to create my investment portfolio, what is my primary income source, as you all know that my whole channel is about teaching you how to build a successful career in the online world. Like I have done it, I have been working for the past 5 years. So there is a lot of free valuable content available on my YouTube. If you're looking to learn my 8 special methods of how I built a 7-figure digital empire, and if you want to have some personal training from my side, you can check out my website from the first link in the description box or the pinned comment. My students are crushing it. You can see multiple student results on my website. So if you want to be personally trained by me, do check out my website from the first link in the description box or the pinned comment. Along with this, if you want to learn how you can make $100 per day super easily for free, click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now. All the steps, what you need to do, where you need to go, each and everything has been properly explained to you.